Welcome back to Let's Stud. Math time, who's ready to solve this one? Before starting, please subscribe to the Let's Stud channel for more exciting videos. Alright class, let's start our first problem. 3690 divided by 30. We'll take it one step at a time. We look at the first digit of the dividend, which is 3. How many times does 30 fit into 3? It fits 0 times. So we multiply 0 by 30, which is 0. Then we subtract 0 from 3, leaving us with 3. Great job so far, keep focusing. Now let's bring down the next digit 6 to make our new number 36. Our new number is 36. We need to divide 36 by 30. We just brought down the 6, making our current number 36. 30 fits into 36 one time. 1 multiplied by 30 is 30. Subtracting 30 from 36 leaves us with 6. You're doing awesome, almost there. Let's bring down the next digit 9 to make 69. Now we have 69. Time to see how many times 30 goes into 69. We brought down the 9, and our number is now 69. 30 fits into 69 two times. 2 times 30 equals 60. 69 minus 60 gives us a remainder of 9. Look at you go, you're a math superstar. We have one more digit to bring down. Let's grab that to make 90. Our final number is 90. Let's divide 90 by 30. We brought down the last digit 0, making our number 90. 30 goes into 90 exactly 3 times. 3 times 30 is 90. And 90 minus 90 leaves us with 0, no remainder. You absolutely crushed this problem. Fantastic work. We've finished our first problem, ready for the next one. We did it. 3690 divided by 30 is 123. You are becoming a long division whiz. Let's keep the learning going with our next math adventure. Next up, we have 6574 divided by 38. Let's dive in. We start with the first digit, 6. Can 38 fit into 6? Nope, it's 0 times. 0 times 38 is 0. Subtracting 0 from 6 leaves us with 6. You're doing great, stay focused. Let's bring down the next digit, 5, to make 65. Our new number is 65. Let's see how many times 38 goes into 65. We have 65 now. 38 fits into 65 one time. 1 times 38 is 38. 65 minus 38 equals 27. Awesome job, keep that energy up. Time to bring down the next digit, 7, making it 277. We're working with 277 now. How many 38s in 277? We brought down the 7, and our number is 277. 38 fits into 277 7 times. 7 times 38 is 266. 277 minus 266 leaves us with 11. You're on a roll, keep going. Let's bring down the last digit, 4, to make 114. Our last number is 114. We need to divide 114 by 38. We brought down the final 4, making it 114. 38 goes into 114 exactly 3 times. 3 times 38 is 114. 114 minus 114 is 0. We have no remainder. Fantastic work, you nailed it. Another problem solved. Are you ready for more math fun? Hooray, 6574 divided by 38 is 173. You're becoming a math master. Let's tackle the next problem together. Here we go with 3444 divided by 42. Let's get started. We look at the first digit, 3. 42 doesn't fit into 3, so that's 0 times. 0 times 42 is 0. 3 minus 0 is 3. You're doing great, keep your thinking cap on. Let's bring down the next digit, 4, to make 34. Our new number is 34. Let's divide 34 by 42. We have 34. 42 doesn't fit into 34 at all, so it's 0 times. 0 times 42 is 0. 34 minus 0 is 34. You're doing wonderfully, stay with it. Time to bring down the next digit 4 to make 344. Wow, we have 344. Let's find out how many 42s are in 344. We brought down the 4, making our number 344. 42 fits into 344 8 times. 8 times 42 is 336. 344 minus 336 leaves us with 8. You're doing an amazing job, so close. Let's bring down the last digit 4 to make 84. Our final number is 84. We need to divide 84 by 42. We brought down the last 4, making it 84. 42 goes into 84 exactly 2 times. 2 times 42 is 84. 84 minus 84 is 0. Perfect, no remainder. You absolutely rocked this problem. Way to go. We've conquered another one, ready for the next challenge. Fantastic. 3444 divided by 42 is 82. You're a long division champ. Let's keep the math party going with our next problem. All right, let's solve 408 divided by 68. Here we go. We start with the first digit, 4. 68 does not fit into 4, so it's 0 times. 0 times 68 is 0. 4 minus 0 is 4. You're doing great. Keep that brain power going. Let's bring down the next digit, 0, to make 40. Our new number is 40. Let's divide 40 by 68. We have 40. 68 doesn't fit into 40 at all, so it's 0 times. 0 times 68 is 0. 40 minus 0 is 40. You're doing awesome, don't give up. Time to bring down the last digit, 8, to make 408. Here it is, 408. Let's see how many times 68 fits into 408. We brought down the 8, making our number 408. 68 fits into 408 exactly 6 times. 6 times 68 is 408. 408 minus 408 is 0. We have no remainder. Wow, you solved it. Fantastic job. Another problem down, ready for the next one. You got it. 408 divided by 68 is 6. You're a math magician. Let's keep the math fun going. Our next problem is 3375 divided by 75. Let's go. We start with the first digit, 3. 75 doesn't fit into 3, so that's 0 times. 0 times 75 is 0. 3 minus 0 is 3. You're doing great, keep that focus. Let's bring down the next digit, 3, to make 33. Our new number is 33. Let's divide 33 by 75. We have 33. 75 doesn't fit into 33 at all, so it's 0 times. 0 times 75 is 0. 33 minus 0 is 33. Awesome work, you're doing so well. Time to bring down the next digit, 7, to make 337. We have 337 now. Let's find out how many times 75 goes into 337. We brought down the 7, making our number 337. 75 fits into 337 4 times. 4 times 75 is 300. 337 minus 300 leaves us with 37. You're a math superstar, keep it up. Let's bring down the last digit, 5, to make 375. Our final number is 375. Let's divide 375 by 75. We brought down the last 5, making it 375. 75 goes into 375 exactly 5 times. 5 times 75 is 375. 375 minus 375 is 0. No remainder this time. Incredible job, you solved it perfectly. Another problem conquered. Shall we continue our math journey? You did it. 3375 divided by 75 is 45. You're a math whiz. Let's keep the math adventure rolling. Time for 282 divided by 94. Let's get started. We start with the first digit, 2. 94 doesn't fit into 2, so that's 0 times. 0 times 94 is 0. 2 minus 0 is 2. You're doing great, keep that focus. Let's bring down the next digit 8 to make 28. Our new number is 28. Let's divide 28 by 94. We have 28. 94 doesn't fit into 28 at all, so it's 0 times. 0 times 94 is 0. 28 minus 0 is 28. Awesome work, you're doing so well. Time to bring down the last digit 2 to make 282. Here it is, 282. Let's see how many times 94 fits into 282. We brought down the 2, making our number 282. 94 fits into 282 exactly 3 times. 3 times 94 is 282. 282 minus 282 is 0. No remainder. You absolutely nailed it. Fantastic job. Another problem solved. Ready for more math magic. Hooray, 282 divided by 94 is 3. You're a long division star. Let's keep the learning adventure going. Next up, 3990 divided by 95. Let's tackle this one. We start with the first digit 3. 95 doesn't fit into 3, so that's 0 times. 0 times 95 is 0. 3 minus 0 is 3. You're doing great, keep that focus. Let's bring down the next digit 9 to make 39. Our new number is 39. Let's divide 39 by 95. We have 39. 95 doesn't fit into 39 at all, so it's 0 times. 0 times 95 is 0. 39 minus 0 is 39. Awesome work, you're doing so well. Time to bring down the next digit 9 to make 399. We have 399 now. Let's find out how many times 95 goes into 399. We brought down the 9, making our number 399. 95 fits into 399 4 times. 4 times 95 is 380. 399 minus 380 leaves us with 19. You're a math superstar, keep it up. Let's bring down the last digit 0 to make 190. Our final number is 190. Let's divide 190 by 95. We brought down the last 0, making it 190. 95 goes into 190 exactly 2 times. 2 times 95 is 190. 190 minus 190 is 0. No remainder. Incredible job, you solved it perfectly. Another problem conquered. Shall we continue our math journey? You did it. 3990 divided by 95 is 42. You're a math whiz. Let's keep the math adventure rolling. Our final problem for today is 3648 divided by 96. Let's finish strong. We start with the first digit 3. 96 doesn't fit into 3, so that's 0 times. 0 times 96 is 0. 3 minus 0 is 3. You're doing great, keep that focus. Let's bring down the next digit 6 to make 36. Our new number is 36. Let's divide 36 by 96. We have 36. 96 doesn't fit into 36 at all, so it's 0 times. 0 times 96 is 0. 36 minus 0 is 36. Awesome work, you're doing so well. Time to bring down the next digit 4 to make 364. We have 364 now. Let's find out how many times 96 goes into 364. We brought down the 4, making our number 364. 96 fits into 364 3 times. 3 times 96 is 288. 364 minus 288 leaves us with 76. You're a math superstar, keep it up. Let's bring down the last digit 8 to make 768. Our final number is 768. Let's divide 768 by 96. We brought down the last 8, making it 768. 96 goes into 768 exactly 8 times. 8 times 96 is 768. 768 minus 768 is 0. No remainder. Incredible job, you solved it perfectly. You've completed all the problems. Amazing work today. Wow, 3648 divided by 96 is 38. You are an absolute math champion. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Let's Stud for more awesome content. See you in the next one.